About the destructed roads, he also said, but he didn't work on that.
Aam Aadmi Party lost the seat because of the promises of Yamuna River.
As we know, in New Delhi, women is not safe, and also corruption is increasing day by day.
If you are a teacher, you can do better in that field. You cannot go in every field. Like a frog cannot walk on the tree. Only monkey can do.
So good afternoon. There is political debacle, political gimmick in Delhi that Aam Aadmi Party has lost the game, lost the match. It happens in 27 years that BJP got a chance to form the government. I am with some youths. What are their opinions? Why Aam Aadmi Party lost the match, lost this game? They will share. Yes, she gave.
Sir, Aam Aadmi Party lose just because Arvind Kejriwal was unable to fulfill his promises. He also didn't do his promises, just like he promises something which are not capable of doing according to Indian Constitution, and he promised. That's why all the citizen knows that it's unable to do, and it cannot be possible. Those promises are not possible to do. That's why people are aware of that. That's why they lose the game, they lose the election. And apart from that, there are a lot of civic issues. Just like Arvind Kejriwal also promises about civic issues, just like cleanliness, and there's a lot of things about the destructed roads. He also said, but he didn't work on that. And if I said except those things, we all know that Sheesh Mahal case. Also, he didn't clear that case.
Yes. Aam Aadmi Party lost the seat because of the promises of Yamuna River. They have the huge debatable topic of Yamuna River. They have to promise in every election, and they have not completed the promises. And the second thing is that Arvind Kejriwal going to the jail, and Manish Sisodia as well as going to the jail because of some charges of the corruption. So that's why.
Or anybody wants?
Sir,
Yes, Raj.
Yes, sir. Today, Aam Aadmi Party has lost the election. It was very surprise for everyone. Means also me, I was astonished. But as we know, Aam Aadmi Janata Party has promised that I will be provide the clean water for everyone, and also means the corruption and also women's safety I will be provided. But it is not good for Aam Aadmi Party, means he did not provide. So also, as we know, in New Delhi, women is not safe, and also corruption is increasing day by day. So it seems to me it is a major problem. So Aam Aadmi Party has lost the election.
And if I ask you next question, what do you think? It is a victory of BJP and a loss of Aam Aadmi Party. What will you choose? It is victory of BJP or loss of Aam Aadmi Party. What will you choose?
Sir, I can say that it is a victory of BJP. Why I'm saying that? Because it has been great effort by BJP, because BJP came into the power after 27 years. So if you are coming in, because last 27 years you are doing nothing for Delhi, even people vote for you. So that is a great victory for the BJP. And also because we have seen that last 5 years Aam Aadmi Party is doing nothing for their country, for the Delhi especially. Why I'm saying that in the starting BJP did tremendous job for the Delhi, but last 5 years, because in the 5 years ago their wings were broken by the central government. They were used the ED, CBI, their leaders were sent into the jail, like Satyendra Jain, Manish Sisodia, Sanjay Singh. Thereafter, Arvind Kejriwal was sent. So that were the wings of the Aam Aadmi Party. So if your leaders are sent into jail, how will you work for the society? So they were not getting. They were indulged in to solve that problems. That was also main point for the Aam Aadmi Party. Definitely, change is the law of nature. I think so. In my opinion, BJP came in the party, they will do tremendous job in the future, because we need changes. So, and in the starting also, before the election, Aam Aadmi Party was saying, especially Arvind Kejriwal was saying that if you want to give me vote, you can, otherwise you can do. And also there were many muddas were there.
Issues were there, and I got it. Arvind Kejriwal told before the election, if you want to send me into the jail, so don't cast vote for me. And finally, I think the citizen of Delhi took it on the heart. Okay, I will send you to the jail. What do you think about Awadh Ojha, sir?
Yes, thank you, sir, for giving me a nice opportunity. Awadh Ojha, sir, is a great teacher. We cannot deny, because he has a great face on all over the country, and he is able to teach history. But he cannot rule our country.
people prove that, because if you are a teacher you can do better in that field. You cannot go in every field. Like a frog cannot walk on the tree, only monkey can do. The same thing, people think that if he can do in better in the field of teaching, why he came in the field of politics? If he wants to come in the politics, if there is not any justified reason, means Avadh Ojha sir has no any mission to do something great in the education sector. That's why people think if I want change, so we have to give vote others instead of Avadh Ojha.
Avadh Ojha sir can be a great teacher, but he cannot be a great politician, according to you. Another thing is, all the big faces of Aam Aadmi Party lost this election. Manish Sisodiya, he has done or he achieved lot of success in the field of education in Delhi, but still he lost the election. Arvind Kejriwal came out from India Against Corruption, led by Anna Hazare. It was the great movement 12 and 13 years back. Arvind Kejriwal used to be considered one of the honest leader of the country. He was also sent into the jail. What do you think that corruption was also responsible? Because these people were indulged in corruption. Satyendra Jain, the minister of Aam Aadmi Party, was sent into the jail. Arvind Kejriwal, Manish Sisodiya, Sanjay Singh. So corruption also plays a role to defeat them. What do you think? That corruption has big role?
Yeah, of course, sir. Corruption has the main role for lost the seat in Delhi, because now we see in Bihar's RJD party, like lot of corruptions, like Chara Ghotola already Lalu Prasad Yadav did. So this is the part due to this discussion, due to this type of history, RJD is not going good in Bihar. So this is the same things in New Delhi. Like he promised, Arvind Kejriwal promised a lot from the citizens. He will fulfill all things like free electricity, free water, free education. So they cannot afford, because if you free everything.
I just want to stop you. What do you think? I have questions that freebies does not work. Sometimes people think, no, I don't want freebies. So people don't want freebies, or Arvind Kejriwal was unable to fulfill his promises and whatever he promised. What do you think?
I think, sir, Arvind Kejriwal is giving free, but Janta is behind that. How other, like if you compare the other state, the leader are not going, the leader are not giving this type of facility to the other state. And if that type of leader is giving that type of facility, so there is some mistake, like doing corruption after election. You know that the lot of corruption is in this time. After election, you already know that the lot of more Aam Aadmi Party politics leader will go into jail in the future after this election. So this is a part of corruption. I think that corruption is the main reason for free election, for free of all things in New Delhi.
Yes, Aam Aadmi lost this election because of corruption. Corruption also plays a vital role in the defeat of Aam Aadmi Party. Or anybody want to say something or add something, Aam Aadmi Party? What?
I want to say that Delhi peoples are educated. They are more developed than Bihar. That's why they believe that if you are giving me free of cost anything, still it's a amount. It's a payable amount. Like you are collecting from our taxes, and after that you are giving me free of cost. So it's not boost our economic. It lost our economics.
But question is, there is possibility Arvind Kejriwal was unable to fulfill his promises. You are saying that Delhi, the common man of Delhi, they don't want to take freebies. They don't want to take anything free of cost. But there may be reason behind it. Arvind Kejriwal may not be able to fulfill his promises. He told, I'll give you everything free electricity, free water. But there is possibility people were unable to get. There can be also reason.
Yes, sir. And I also have seen in the BJP's manifesto, and they were same manifesto. I will provide them free Bijli, free electricity, free water, free education, everything. And also I will give them that 2,000 rupees per month for women especially. So because of Arvind Kejriwal was unable to fulfill their needs. That was the main reason. Because he was in the jail, and you took charge to the other CM, and he was doing nothing. Means he was only visiting here and there. So being a CM, you have to do something for the society, especially during the election. And during the election, you are indulged in other things. So first, you have to focus on the things.
And one thing also I want to ask Mr. Sarfraz. Conflict can be also reason conflict between Delhi government and central government. Because in central, the BJP government was ruling. In Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal Arvind Kejriwal was ruling, and this is the capital, national capital of India. Do you feel that there is conflict? Why? Because Aam Aadmi Party used to say BJP government is not supporting me, and BJP says this chief minister is not doing anything for the common man of Delhi. What do you think the conflict can be also reason, because people must be fed up? What is this? Arvind Kejriwal is blaming Modi ji and Modi ji is blaming Arvind Kejriwal. Arvind Kejriwal has already spent 12-13 years, so now we should give chance to BJP. What do you think?
Definitely, sir. Everybody wants to change. Everybody wants to see the changes. That's why they change the CM. And also, sir, it may like a different party may be the reason. Like Asaduddin Owaisi party also jumped into the election. They came into the election.
This could be also
This could be also reason.
they also cut the vote of
Vote of the Muslim also, and Congress also, sir, cut some votes of the Muslim. That may be also the reason for the defeat of.
Okay, if I ask you then which party will you support, BJP or Aam Aadmi Party?
Sir, I will definitely support BJP.
BJP. Which party will you support?
Definitely, sir, Aam Aadmi Party. Whatever he has done, I can't forget these things.
Okay, हाँ, BJP or Aam Aadmi Party?
आम आदमी पार्टी
BJP or Aam Aadmi Party?
Aam Aadmi Party.
Aam Aadmi Party.
Sir, one thing I say that the point of Aam Aadmi Party and BJP, sir, every time Honorable CM of Delhi, in every time speech to put this line, Honorable Prime Minister, you want to win the election in Delhi, so rebirth in Parliament also, and in speech, public rebirth again. So time will be changed, and change is nature of the law. So that's why.
And so Kejriwal was so arrogant to say this.
Yeah, this line is.
BJP or Aam Aadmi Party?
Sir, I also want to support the Aam Aadmi Party. I have some.
Everybody is supporting Aam Aadmi Party. How did BJP win? I am surprised.
I want to say, sir, means every people has mentioned that corruption. So corruption is spending in the every field and every state. So 1 month and under the five years, we cannot.
Corruption is spreading everywhere.
Yes.
What do you think, Aam Aadmi Party or BJP?
BJP, because in that time no one better than BJP.
Okay. I had fan of BJP. BJP or Aam Aadmi Party? What do you
of course sir आम आदमी पार्टी because what he did in the past we cannot deny.
think? Okay, so it was healthy debate. So Aam Aadmi Party and BJP. Still, a lot of youths, they have very strong affection with Aam Aadmi Party, but truth prevails. Truth always prevails. BJP has won the Delhi election and going to form the government. Thank you. All the best, BJP.